Hello, today we will guide you through how to sync Zoom with Outlook. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you are in your mail view. This process is done directly from Outlook, and the goal is to add the Zoom integration so you can schedule and manage Zoom meetings more easily from your email and calendar tools. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top of the screen and click on Home. This will bring you to the main toolbar area where Outlook organizes many of its common actions and settings. If you do not immediately see the option you need, do not worry. Some features are grouped into menus depending on your screen size or Outlook layout. Next, move to the top right area of the screen and click on More Apps. This menu gives you access to additional Outlook tools and extensions that are not always displayed front and center. It is a useful place to find integrations like Zoom. From that menu, select Get Add-ins. This opens the add-ins marketplace for Outlook, where you can search for tools that extend Outlook's functionality. Add-ins are commonly used to connect Outlook with other platforms, helping streamline tasks like scheduling meetings or sharing information across apps. When the add-ins window appears, click into the search field and type in Zoom. This will narrow the results and help you quickly find the correct integration. Be sure to look for the official Zoom option so that you are installing the right add-in for Outlook. In the search results, click on Zoom for Outlook add-in. Opening the add-in page lets you confirm that you have selected the correct tool before installing it. This is also where Outlook typically provides a brief description of what the add-in can do, such as helping you create Zoom meetings within your Outlook workflow. After that, click Add. This installs the Zoom add-in into Outlook and connects the feature to your account so it becomes available when you are working in Outlook. Depending on your setup, the add-in may appear right away, or Outlook may take a moment to finish loading it. Once the add-in has been added, Zoom is now synced with Outlook through the Outlook add-in. If needed, give Outlook a moment to refresh so the new option becomes visible. After that, you should be ready to use Zoom more conveniently from within Outlook. That's it. You have successfully added the Zoom for Outlook add-in and completed the sync setup process.